Last season, we discovered volcanoes and the process of how they erupt. Now we are going to put our knowledge to use, but in a different way. Put your safety glasses on because we are going to take it up a notch. We are going to make our very own volcano. The materials you will need are Play-Doh or sand, vinegar, baking soda, and a small cup. First things first, we will build our volcano. Carefully place the Play-Doh or sand around the cup. And next you'll just pat it into your desired shape. After that, add the baking soda to the cup. Now quickly add the vinegar inside the crater. And 3, 2, 1, kaboom! Parental supervision is recommended in this activity, but another cool thing about this experiment is that you can add more vinegar and baking soda to see the explosion happening over and over.